When you need to pinpoint the file you're looking for in Canto, using filtering is one of my favorite ways to do it. With filtering, you can use something you know about the file you're looking for, like a keyword or file type, to pinpoint it easily. To get started, find the filter icon here on the right side just under your avatar. The filtering menu opens up, and now we can start finding what we're looking for. Filtering is more powerful when you spend time on the front end tagging files with metadata like keywords and tags, but it's useful even when they're untagged. Let's start off on something easy like a keyword. When I click on a keyword like interior, Canto narrows down my selection of images and video to only show what's tagged with the interior keyword. I could turn that keyword back off by clicking on interior again. Now let's check out tag filtering, which works the same way. I could click on one tag and then Canto will filter for anything that matches that tag. This is how filtering helps us find what we're looking for. We can use something we know about a file to find it easily. Let's clear this as well, and now check out status filtering by clicking on it. Canto allows us to set statuses to control if files are approved to share in a portal. If you're an admin, you can click on the pending setting to filter to review the files that need to be approved, for example. Now let's clear that filter as well. Next up, let's open up the content type filter, which has a wealth of options. One of the most helpful options is to filter based on the type of file. Let's click on video, for example, to narrow down our selection to videos. We could add another file type, such as documents, to include those in the filter as well. The other filters in this section are all about narrowing down files based on the metadata. I can adjust the pixel dimensions to include images of a certain size, or even a resolution to grab high-res images. You can also filter for just your landscape, portrait, or even square orientation images. The people section allows me to type in a Canto user and filter for an uploader. The file size option is a great way to control the size of the original file if you know you're looking for a small or large original file, for example. And finally, if I open a date uploaded filter, I can pull these handles to set an earliest and latest date that a file was uploaded to show as a part of a filter. Last up, let's keep in mind that filters stack, so we can combine filtering from multiple types of metadata. For instance, I can scroll back up and filter keywords for interior and then tags for luxury. Now I'm only showing what meets both rules. This works across all of the filtering options. If you want to turn all of your filters off, just click Clear All here at the top. Filtering is one of the best ways to pinpoint those hard to find files. Use something you know about your assets to find them rapidly. Thanks for watching.